Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to recall an email in Outlook. So did you send an email too quickly and now wish you could take it back? All right, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to recall an email using Outlook step by step. Okay, here's important notes before we start. The recall feature is currently available only in the desktop version of Outlook for Microsoft 365 Windows. So the Outlook web app, that's the Outlook on the web, which is what we are currently seeing now, does not currently support recalling an email. However, if you're using a Microsoft 365 business or enterprise account and your admin has enabled message retraction via Microsoft Purview, you may have limited access to message recall like capabilities through the compliance portal, but not through the regular Outlook web interface. So if you're using Outlook web app, the best alternatives are to recall in Outlook web app. You will have to do delay or undo sending if it has been configured. So you can delay sending emails for a few seconds, allowing you to undo them. And here's how you can set that up. So just launch your browser like I've done and navigate to outlook.live.com. Then sign into your account. And in the top right corner of the screen, you're going to see the settings, the gear icon to just open it to open up the settings. And just right when you look at the left, you can find a couple of options here: account files, general mail, calendar, and people. So just head over to mail, and once you head over to mail, you can see a couple of options here as well. So go ahead and click on compose and reply. So from here, just scroll down till you find undo send, which we have in here. So move the slider to set a delay of up to 10 seconds. All right, so just move the slider. Oh, okay. You can set a delay of up to 10 seconds. Okay, always remember to hit save before exiting, which is the save button here. Now, when you send a message, you'll see an undo option in the bottom left of the screen for a few seconds, up to 10 seconds. If you click it, your email will be stopped before it goes out. So why can't you recall in the Outlook web app? Here's the reason. Microsoft, the recall feature is only available in Microsoft 365, which is what I said earlier. That's the Windows Outlook app, the desktop app, and the user must be on the same Exchange server or tenant, and both sender and receiver must be using Outlook desktop. The email must be unread. So none of these apply to Outlook web app, which explains the limitation, and that's it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.